define the interface or operations available with Q. Just like stack, we have two fundamental operations here. An insertion is called NQ operation. Some people also like to name this operation push. NQ operations should insert an element at tail or rear end of Q. Deletion is called dequeue operation. In some implementations, people call this operation pop also. Push and pop are more famous in context of stack. NQ and dequeue are more famous in context of queues. While implementing, you can choose any of these names in your interface. Dequeue should remove an element from front or head of the queue, and dequeue typically also returns this element that it removes from the head. The signatures of NQ and dequeue for a queue of integers can be something like this. NQ is returning void here, while dequeue is returning an integer. This integer should be the removed element from the queue. You can design dequeue also to return void. Typically, a third operation, front or peek, is kept just to look at the element at the head, just like the top operation that we had kept in stack. This operation should just return the element at front and should not delete anything. Okay, we can have few more operations. We can have one operation to check whether Q is empty or not. If Q has a limited size, then we can have one operation to check whether Q is full or not. Why I'm calling out these alternate names for operations is also because most of the time we do not write our own implementation of a data structure. We use inbuilt implementations available with language libraries. Interface can be different in different language libraries. For example, if you would use the inbuilt queue in C++, the function to insert is push, while in C# it's NQ. So we should not confuse. I'll just keep more famous names here. Okay, so these are the operations that I have defined with QADT, NQ, dequeue, front, and is empty.